So in this video, hi, I'm going to talk about being conscious of time and being conscious of your time. So, it's interesting that everyone talks about this and like, oh, you got a time track, see where you're going or whatever. But even taking it a step further, being really conscious of what you're doing and why I'm doing what I'm doing and what you're doing all the time, and everything and like catching yourself. So it's like for me, I've kind of spun around and gone here, gone there because of either whatever how I felt or just the nature of everything and just being used to something like we're used to routine. And I realized like, whoa, like there is a more time than we think, but we have to be conscious of it and conscious of like checking ourselves or changing patterns or whatever, or otherwise 3 hours go by or 4 hours go by, or we go do this or we go do that and everything. And then there's more distractions and there's more this and there's more that and everything and taking priority to that. So it's like really like honing in and being conscious of where your time's going and why you're doing what you're doing. It's something to think about. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.